Are you really worried about the phone unlocking? Welcome back again, your own channel Mind Thunder. And today videos we will know about unlocking process for any handset like Realme, Oppo, Poco, Vivo, Samsung, any handset. Due to the many comments on these handsets, so it's known from the comment that there is a lots of locking complaint is coming, my dear friend, in this. So in today's video, I will tell you unlocking tips that you can unlock your phone sitting at home without going to any service center and without loss of any application or data. Just you have to follow with some simple steps with me and you watch this video continuously without a skip, then you will be able to understand about this process very well. So in this video, this method is called offline method. Make sure your before going to start this video, make sure your phone in must in flight mode. And one thing I'm going to share you, if phone is not unlocked by this process, please tell us in the comment section which handset is your and which model is it, because the code which I am going to share for unlocking process may support in many handset or may not support in many handset. This is for your reference. So now we are going to start this process. So now you can able to see this phone is locked to the password, and below this screen you can see emergency calls option. So don't call this, just click on it, and now you can able to see one dialer is available on your screen. So you have to, I'm going to share the code which I was a star has 65005604 a star 554. After that you have to press this. This is not a big code. If you want to take a screenshot, I'm going to zoom. If you want to take note down, please take note down. Now you have to call on this number. You will get a call failed message, pop-up message. You have to ignore this, and you can erase this code and apply a star hash 899 and hash. Now you can see engineer mode page is activated on your screen, because engineer, without engineer mode page we cannot do unlock your Android phone or our Android phone. So this is very important for us. So first check your software version. So our Android version is 12. Similarly, your Android version 9, 5, 6, anything, you have to click as per your factory version, on you have to click on this factory version. So your Android version is 12 on the second row. For I'm going to using this finger for your help. If you want to, if you have to click here 12 time minimum. After that you have to come back from this option and again press manual test, and second row device debugging page, check proximity sensor test, and there are three option is here. Calibration required before proximity test, so you have to you have to confirm on calibration, and again we have to check through the main M sensor auto test sheet. Now you can able to see test is successful. After that you have to press sensor self test and calibration, and you can able to see gyroscope and accelerometer, both option is coming. You have to click on it on the without any delay at the same time. Now finally gyroscope is passed at the one time, and again we have to go with the last and others option. You can able to see there are 4 5 option is coming. Similar first previous, as per previous method, you have to click 7 12 time as per your Android version, because my Android version was 12, so I am pressing here 12 on the same, on the database version. Now we can check the reading receipt complete indicator. If your indicator reading receipt complete indicator is passed, now you can understand your phone is going to unlock now. So rewrite important log test, you have to confirm here. Now finally wrong password is coming. After completing the whole process, we will check. It's time to check our phone whether the lock of our phone is unlocked or not. Otherwise, let's press the home button, middle number. You have to press. As you can see, my friend, our phone is unlocked without, as per our commitment, our without any loss of data or application. Our phone is unlocked. You can easily unlock your phone with these simple steps. without help of any computer or without visit of any service center. So I hope you guys will like this video, subscribe our channel, like and share.